Welcome back dear subscriber. Today I have come up with the new announcement regarding NPTEL exam. Already you know the exam of March 29 and April 25-26 had been postponed due to COVID-19 effect. But now the NPTEL is planned to take remote protected online exam. So first they are going to implement this exam using enhancing soft skill and personality course. So already you check out your mobile, you may get the message, that urgent message that you have to check your email ID. So in email ID only I got 25 minutes before, and you can see here this email is from authorized site of the NPTEL, support@nptel.iitm.ac.in. So you can see here this email is just I got 25 minutes before from authorized email ID from the NPTEL. So this is 100% valid and genuine information that NPTEL is going to conduct remote protected online exam. So you can go through. For testing purpose, they are going to first implement this remote protected online examination for the course enhancing soft skill and personality. So what are the things? Let me tell you. The exam will be held on June 4 and the time will be from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. But before that you have to do some procedure and formality, then only you are able to attend this remote online protected exam. Otherwise the NPTEL will soon announce some physical center. You have to appear on that center and you have to write the exam. So what are the criteria? You can see here. You can write exam from wherever you are. You need not to go at any center or any place or any particular center. You can write from your home or office, any place you can write, because this is remote online protected exam. And this exam can't be using mobile phone, iPhone, Mac, Ubuntu, Linux OS. Means this exam is going to be only implemented in Windows system. If your laptop or computer has Windows system, then only you can write this exam. And also the window must be Windows 7 or any latest version, not the older one. And you please note it, I again repeat it, you can't write this exam using mobile phone, iPad, Mac or Ubuntu or Linux or any other OS than Windows OS. Right. So this is system requirement, and you must need to arrange laptop or desktop if you want to attend this exam. Right. And also that must be working functionally, the camera and microphone must be working condition. Okay. And network candidate must have suitable internet connection at their end, and there is concurrent bandwidth is at least half MB per second. You have the net like 4G, simply 4G SIM if you have and good network, then you can write. If you are in remote area like in village or you town like in hamlet, you are in the remote area and the signal is not good, then please you don't apply and do formality for this exam. And what are the supported browser? There will be only two browsers that will support the exam, that is Google Chrome and Mozilla. You can't write using Safari or any other browser like Internet Explorer or anything, any other browser except these two. So please note it, you only can write this exam in computer, either laptop or desktop, and the window platform only, and your computer must be having the working condition, camera, microphone and internet bandwidth 512 kbps, and the browser is Chrome or Mozilla. And if you have any antivirus, additional antivirus or firewall you have installed in your system, not the default one, if you have installed like Kaspersky or any other, then you have to disable that antivirus at first. So this is, you can see here, if you wish to take this remote protected online exam for the course Enhancing Soft Skill and Personality Online, please follow the following step. So first step, you have to attend the mock test. The mock test will be given you the 10-minute time slot, and within the 10 minutes you have to solve 5 dummy questions. The dummy question means there will be 5 questions, you just have to solve that. It must not be or need not be the correct answer, because this is not going to make any difference to your mark. This is just for sake of checking the compatibility of your system. That it. And second step, after completion of the 5 dummy question test, mock test, you have to fill the form. And you have to fill this form and you have to apply this. The second step, before June 2, means tomorrow. Before tomorrow 6 p.m. you have to apply this. At must you have 6 p.m. you have time. Before that you have to apply this. You have less than 24 hours. So please you do as soon as possible. Then only you will be allowed to attend the remote online protected examination of NPTEL. You read, please note, if you are unable to complete the mock test due to system infrastructure mismatch, web camera not working or insufficient network speed, you will not be allowed or able to include you for the online remote protected exam on June 4. So it is mandatory to take the mock test with web camera, microphone and good internet speed. Then only the NPTEL is going to list out your name for June 4 exam, right? And final exam, the final remote protected online exam date is June 4, that is Thursday. So this is remote means you can write from any place, that denotes the remote, and that will be the final exam, not any test that will be going to the final exam. And session is, there will be only one session from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. and the duration will be 3 hours as the regular pattern of the NPTEL. And there is some important points. Those of you have graduated this year and who definitely need an NPTEL certificate, we suggest that you should make a serious effort in attempting this online remote protected exam. As you know, in this present Act Center exam has a lot more dependency on external factors. So please try to arrange for system for requirement and attend the exam. Why it is talking about the person who are going to graduate this year? Because most of the university providing the course with exact credit, like 256, 260 credit, and some student is failing in some subject or unable to pass the subject in one attempt, and due to so many factors their credit is low. And NPTEL is providing one external credit, and college can also provide one extra credit to the certificate for NPTEL from college itself. So one NPTEL certificate carry around 2 credit for 8 weeks subject. So this is mandatory, or this is the serious request to the person who are going to graduate this year. So please you, if you are also in the final year, then please you do the arrangement. You ask your friend or ask your relative and do arrangement of the laptops, and you have better to take this exam, this remote online protected exam. For the student not having the requirement system for taking the exam, the NPTEL will shortly intimate. The NPTEL will give the new announcement regarding the physical center, and there those people can arrive and appear for the exam. So that may be delay. We can't say, or NPTEL can't grant you how long the delay will take. And that form will also have option to cancel the exam and take the refund. If in case of physical examination center, if you are unable to go or attend the exam, or if you don't feel comfort to attend that exam, in that case the NPTEL also allowed to cancel the exam and get your refund. If you apply for refund by cancelling the exam, you will get all your fee refund without any fee cut. Also please note, this form is only for learner of the course. This is only for the course learner who is taking this enhancing soft skill and personality. This is not for any other course. This is only for this course, this NPTEL course, enhancing soft skill and personality. And for remaining courses, by tomorrow, means June 2, by June 2 they are going to provide those all possible option and what are the alternatives they will provide by tomorrow, June 2 they are going to provide. Note, this is a special note for all. If you pass the course as per certificate criteria, the certificate will be same as the normal. Like some of you may have the doubt that NPTEL used to take the exam on the exam center. If I am going to write this exam from remote area, remote protected exam, then is there any differences in certificate from this year or the previous year? Then no, the NPTEL is here declaring that the both certificate will be the same. There will be no difference, that will be the same for all the certificate. And there will be only one online session. I have already added that the NPTEL is not going to take this exam for two different sessions. They will only take this exam for single slot, single session, that is on June 4 from 1 PM to 4 PM. I repeat, for this exam, at first step you have to take the mock test of 5 questions in 10 minutes, that 5 dummy questions. Then after you have to fill the form, then only the NPTEL list out for this exam. And the system required, I again repeat that you can't write any other platform than Windows system, and the window you must have the laptop or desktop. You can't write in mobile, iPhone, iPad or Mac, Linux, Ubuntu. I repeat again and again. And you also only you have to either Chrome or Mozilla browser to take this exam. And moreover, if you have any antivirus, additional antivirus, then please you first deactivate the virus. This exam will be under the web camera, so the web camera must be working. There will be only one session. If you miss or unable to provide any opportunity to take this exam this semester, if you miss this, then you will not get any other opportunity to attempt this exam. If you have already applied, if you are applying for this exam, and due to any factor if you are unable to attend the exam on that time slot, then the NPTEL will not provide you any other opportunity for you, and NPTEL will also not refund your fee. Note it, if you have applied for this remote protected exam and you are unable to attend, then NPTEL is not going to provide you your refund fee. Fee will not be refunded if you participate in exam and then you couldn't complete the exam for any reason whatever. Whatever means any reason, like the current went or your net went or power cut or your web camera stopped working, anything, whatever the situation, once you are participating, then NPTEL is not going to refund. So please you first get ready how you are going to do. Or if you have any question regarding this, you can mail to the NPTEL. This office is not available right now for the phone call, so please email. So now let me take the procedure. So please fill this form, OTP for remote So at first it is telling that you would have received the email with the link for mock test. It is telling that the next mail you might have got, you have got from that, using that link you have to write the mock test. But still I have not got. But when you log into the NPTEL Swayamya site, then you can get their email ID, not email ID, the link, and you can appear for the exam. So let me show you. So this is the notice, and you can see here the same notice is repeated here. And what are the system required, you can go with, and you can check these all. Okay, for mock test this is duration 10 minutes, and this mock test will be just take for system compatibility. For the remote exam will not be considered for any marking this mock test. Hence completion of mock test is mandatory. Note it, this is mandatory for those who wish to take this remote protected online examination on June 4th. Those who don't completed mock test successfully will not be able to participate in remote protected online examination on June 4th. And if you are able to successfully complete this mock and submit the answer of 5 dummy set, then please you fill this form. You have to fill this form. Right. So I will open in the next. Okay. And here note that this form is open only till tomorrow, June 2, 6 p.m. And again they are repeating the same notice. You can go with. So this is, you can see here, enhancing soft skill, and this is the 10 minute it is going to be, and this is my name, email ID, and a step to check system compatibility and run the mock test. So this is the step. What are the steps there? So let me check it out. You can go the same way, the pattern I am going, I am following. So candidate guide for online assessment. So the system requirement again they are telling about, and invitation mail. So check your system compatibility, and what are the mail body it is denoting. So you can check it out. You can see test window, and there is what is this, download MSB and process to test. So this is the test. You can go with all the procedure. On security, what are the security you have to follow, and the team viewer, starting the test, secure browser, and starting on the test, what are the procedure and how you have to connect, how your face must be appear. So those all details are mentioned here, and what must be your camera position and the text experience. You can see here those all details you can read in your free times, right? So it is some question is there, operating system not supported. This error occurred only when Mac Linux system are being used or initiated in test MSB. MS is not getting installed. The operating system must be updated. The antivirus or firewall must be disabled. MSB not getting launched. Then prohibited process, the running application need to be closed using task manager. You have to close the running, and the AC, the antivirus firewall need to be disabled before you launching the test. Allow camera and microphone permission. So those are the things. So MSB, right? So is there any process to install the MSB? Let me check it. Yes, there is some MSB. So here we have to download MSB. Okay. So I am going to run as admin. So I am installing the MSB. This is a special limit. So now you can see here it is asking for the end user license term. So I will agree and after installation we have to go there and write those. So after closing of browser, what are the instructions? Let me read it out. Okay, my system is hanging, so it will take some more time. Okay, I will wait. And just now I got the mail for test link and those system compatibility checkup. So after this installation of MSB, I will open that mail and go for the system checking and the test attempt. Now you can see here installation is successfully completed. And now this is the mail. I recently got it. Not recently, actually 15 minutes before. So here I will go and check the system compatibility. You will also check your mail. You will get the same. And MSB I have already downloaded and installed. If you have not, then download and install. And it is asking for take the test. Yes, already have MSB installed. Proceed for test. So maybe my video will pause once I will start this. So let me tell you the remaining process and then after I will start. So this is, and up to 6 PM you have to register this, and timing Asia Kolkata. This is, and start the test. So this is from here. You can click either here or there, and this test can only taken on the MSB. Please click to download and install MSB. Already we have, so no need to go any other details, right? So let me tell you about the second process. Once I explained you the second process, I will go for the second. This is yes, mock test we will take from there. After that I understand, I agree that I have completed taking the mock test and tested my system, and understand that if a step is not completed, I will be permitted to write the exam online on this. And if I choose remote protected exam, I don't pass the exam based on NPTEL criteria, I will not get a certificate. If I choose remote system online and am absent for it, I will not get a certificate or refund from exam fee. This is reminder, this 3 step you have to. Do you wish to register for online remote examination? Yes, and you have to submit it. So this is the last step, but first I want to complete that test. Once you complete, you can fill this and submit it, because my system is going to stop working once I will start the test, right? So this is all about the new information and notice about the NPTEL online remote online protected examination. So please you go through and subscribe the channel, and please you share this information like anything and spread out and make it reach to all your friends, colleagues, so they will not miss the exam. Please note it, tomorrow 6 PM is the last date to apply for this exam. So I am going to proceed the test. and it is asking for lunch, so I am going to launch the test. You can read here, I have all those requirement. So it is asking to open. So it is launching now, it is launching the MSB. So you follow the same procedure. Please remember that you must have to meet the system requirement and you have to agree with all those requirements. Once you fail the exam or unable to attend the exam, you are not supposed to get any certificate or next chance to attend or any refund from the NPT. So you please note that. So want to try this, and you have better you first close all the remaining application and then you will start. So I am telling the MSB to quit the application whatever they feel that is unnecessary here. So you do the same way if you want to write the remote protected online completed. Please you do subscribe the channel, share this information. So this is done, right? Yes, submitted. So you can see here successfully updated. Okay, so you do the same and you will complete this process if you want to write this exam on June 4th. So please you subscribe the channel, share this video and help out all your friends in doing this. So thanks again. Please stay safe, stay learning and stay happy.